What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making cabbage veg manchurian. So let's begin. So here I've taken one whole cabbage which is medium in size, and you can see how finely I've chopped them. I've pulsed them in a mixer grinder with pulse mode. You can see how finely I've chopped them. To this I'll be adding in quarter spoon of black pepper powder, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon of salt. You can add in as per your taste. Half spoon of red chili powder. This gives good color to your Manchurian balls. Once you've added them, with your nice clean hands, we'll mix them very nicely. So once you've mixed them very well, I'm going to add in 3 spoons of plain flour, 3 spoons of corn flour, and mix them very well. So guys, you can see our Manchurian mixture is all ready. Now what I'm going to do is, with light greased hands, I'm going to shape them into a bowl. It's going to be like kinetic sand falling off, but it's not going to be a proper round shape, as you can see. Okay, so similarly I'm going to do the rest. So in the similar manner, I'm going to prepare all my Manchurian balls. So guys, you can see I've prepared all my Manchurian balls. It roughly became around 15-16 balls with the quantity that I used. And here I've kept my bowl in which I've kept oil to heat, in which I'll be frying my Manchurian balls. So once the oil has to be medium hot, don't make it too hot, otherwise it will be raw from inside and become brown from outside, so you will be having that doughy feeling when you're eating your Manchurian. So now that it's medium hot, I'm gonna add my Manchurian balls one by one to it. I've made this with cabbage. You can also use mixed vegetable like carrots, French beans. Some people even use mashed potatoes like grated potatoes, broccolis, French beans. It's up to your choice. This is a very easy way in which you guys can let your children eat vegetables. Let it cook from one side and then slowly give it a swirl. Don't make use of your spoon very often so that it can break easily. So let it cook nicely on a medium flame, and then we can just give a swirl and cook it from all around. So guys, the Manchurian balls are all ready. You can see it took me about, with slow hands I'm going to show you. See, it's all ready. I'm going to take it out on a kitchen towel so that all the excess oil comes out. Guys, you can see our Manchurian balls are all ready. How nicely it's been cooked, you can see. So we move to the final step, that is making of the gravy for the Manchurian. So here I've kept my pan in which I'll be making my veg Manchurian gravy. The gas is on high flame. That's the first thing that you guys need to keep in mind when you're making Chinese. To this I'll be adding in 2 spoons of cooking oil. Give it a nice swirl so that it gets coated everywhere. And let it become a bit hot. To this I'll be adding in 2 inch of ginger, 8 to 9 cloves of garlic, be adding in 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add in as per your taste. Once you've done that, let the rawness of the ginger, garlic and green chili go. To this I'll be adding in half finely chopped onions, half finely chopped green capsicum, give it a nice mix. You don't have to overcook them, just making sure it gets cooked. But at the same time you have to maintain the crunchiness of your vegetables that you have used. Remember, the gas is on high flame. This will roughly take about 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, it's been about 5 to 6 minutes. Our onions, ginger, garlic, green capsicum is cooked a bit very well. To this I'll be adding in 1 spoon of dark soya sauce, 1 spoon of red chili sauce, 2 spoons of tomato ketchup, 1 spoon of chili and garlic sauce, half spoon of vinegar, and give it a nice mix. Remember, the sauces also has salt in it, so you need to add the salt accordingly. I'm gonna add in only 1/4 spoon of salt. Give it a nice mix. To this I'll be adding in 1/4 cup of water. Mix it very well. At this point you can check in for the seasoning. At restaurants they also use Ajinomoto, MSG, but for health purpose I don't use it at home. I've chopped onions and green capsicum very finely. If you want, you can cut them into cubes as well. Since I'm making it a bit semi-gravy type, I've kept it this way. I'm just gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes. So guys, it's been about 5 minutes. Our sauce has cooked very well. To this I'll be making a slurry in which I've used 1 spoon of corn flour and some water. Give it a nice mix. And add it to the gravy that we made. Add in some finely chopped spring onions, greens. Give it a nice mix. You can see now the sauce starts to thicken a bit and becomes silky. To this I'll be adding in our Manchurian balls that we made one by one. and just cook in the sauce for about 2 minutes, not more than that, otherwise it becomes too much soggy. I've made this Manchurian semi-dry so that it has a gravy. You can enjoy it with noodles, mancha noodles. You can have it with fried rice. You can just enjoy it like a starter and mix it with soft hands and just cook it for about 2 minutes. You can see a veg cabbage Manchurian is finally all ready. Now I'll be switching the gas off and just topping it with some more spring onions, greens. You can see how yummy it's turned out to be. I'll show you. See, a veg cabbage Manchurian is all ready. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the plating and show you. So guys, I've finally done the plating. Let me show you how it's turned out to be. That's our veg cabbage Manchurian. Look how yummy and delicious it's looking. I'm telling you, the aroma of this Indo-Chinese that we made is in my entire kitchen. It's so yummy in my kitchen. I'm sure you guys gonna enjoy it when you guys try the way that I've showed you. Very simple, quick and easy recipe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one in my plate. Isn't it looking very delicious? That's the gravy. Look how yummy it is. It's a perfect starter recipe. Just gonna show you how nicely it's cooked from inside as well. It's piping hot. Let me taste and see how it is. It's so yummy. It's a perfect way in which you guys can make your children eat vegetables, guys. You can add in any vegetable of your choice. I have used cabbage because we like this version of making veg Manchurian. So you can add, as I told you earlier also, you can add carrots, you can add French beans, you can add broccoli also if you want to make your children eat those vegetables. Grated potatoes is one of those that is trending now when making Manchurian. It's just wow, very quick and easy recipe. When you guys are running out of time, try the recipe. You can enjoy it with fried rice, you can enjoy it with noodles, Hakka noodles or Szechuan noodles. A perfect starter recipe. Do try the way I have showed you. I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy it. Let me know how it's turned out to be. That's all for today's video, guys. If you do like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you get first notified when I next upload my video. That's all for today's video, guys. See you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay smiling. Bye.